Hey you guys, it is Monday night and that means it's time for Let's Talk About. Here's a quick question for you. What's a blend that was named after a long-running television series from the 80s?
Friends, no.
In fact, well, what is it?
Melrose Place.
Melrose Place.
But I doubt
that's not what
Garrett named it after a TV show.
Exactly, but it is Melrose we're talking about. So we're still going through the blends. This is the place to be if you want to find out the in-depth information. Kim is a clinified, certified, something-ified aromatherapist. I just hang around with her because
To look good.
it's Monday night and there's nothing else to do. Yeah.
None of the restaurants are open locally.
No, that's true. Alrighty, so Melrose. Why is it called Melrose?
Melrose gets its name because of its two main ingredients. Do you know what they are?
I'm going Melaleuca something. Mm-hmm. And Rose.
Rosemary, right?
Okay.
So
Close.
it's actually
So
got
close.
two melaleucas in it. It's got Melaleuca alternifolia, which is tea tree,
Yep.
and it's got Melaleuca quinervia, which we know.
You missed a queen.
You only say that.
No, it's true. It's called Melaleuca quinquenervia. Trust me.
It's
I'm
commonly
not
known as Niuli, so you'll see
can look
it
it up.
on the ingredients as Niuli,
Yep.
but it's Melaleuca quinervia.
Thank you.
And that's what goes into like the name,
Yep.
but it's got a couple of other oils in this blend as well.
It has got clove and it's also got...
Well, that's it. Sorry, clove, rosemary, no, and the two Melaleucas.
You're tricking me. Okay.
Yes.
But
So
there's some pretty powerful oils right there.
it's great for hair and skin, right? So you can add it to your shampoos, particularly for your kids. I like to make it up into a spray bottle and spray inside their school hats, okay? Because you know how kids like to share things and they like to share hats and the things that go in hats. And so get out your Melrose, mix it with some witch hazel and distilled water, put in a spray and spray it inside your kid's hair. Well, you can literally do that, but spray it inside your kid's hat. But most importantly, add it to your kids' scent shampoo, and that way it's a good, sort of preventative for happy hair and
Happy parents.
yeah. So I actually mix it in with a conditioner, put it on the girl's hair when they've got that stuff, and put the shower cap over the top, let it sit for like an hour, and then I use a comb to comb out, any unwanted little things. The other thing it's good for is teenage skin. So if you've got teenagers in your house and they're starting to get the unhappy skin happening, then get it out, add it to your orange blossom face wash, because normally you'll hear me say add tea tree, but this has got the Melaleuca quinquenervia, and it's also got the rosemary in it. So great for hair and skin pretty much.
Wow.
You can also dab it directly on, mix it even in a bit of toothpaste, the Aroma Bride or the Dentarome Ultra Young Living toothpaste, and put it on. Or you can even, obviously I think the instructions say to dilute, but on those kinds of things, I just put it underneath. Great on, any time your kids fall out of the tree or fall off their bike or, any of those kinds of things, because it's got tea tree in it. It is a great oil if your children are, need to have happy skin. Let's put it that way.
Would you say it's pretty underrated? Like it's
Yes, not many people know.
Yeah.
And it's funny because I see lots of comments sometimes and people say, oh, I added tea tree and Melrose to my shampoo or, but it's really, that means they're getting a double bang of the tea tree, because it is Melaleuca alternifolia, which is the botanical name for tea tree, and it's got rosemary in it as well. All right, we'll see you next week.